Official morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Danielle. Nice to meet you. How are you doing? That's wonderful. If it's not, I hope it gets better. You're in the right place to be in a better mood. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button below. Become part of the family before you go, girl. It's still really early. I'm about to do my celery juice. It's in there. I haven't done it yet. I took Layla first thing because she's important to me and I wanted her to get to go potty. But yeah, I'm gonna do my celery juice, drink some coffee, do my meditation. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, what's up, you guys? So it is 1:11 and Layla and I are headed to my dad's to do some laundry and hang out and give him his birthday present. So that's what we're doing. What is up, you guys? It is a little bit later. Layla and I went to my dad's for a few hours today. We did laundry. That was fun, but it took a long time because I had 2 weeks of laundry to do. So sorry about that, Dad, if you do watch this, because he was like hungry. And anyways, but now I'm about to watch Rochelle and Justin's birth vlog. So if you have not already seen it, go watch it, link in the description below. But I'm about to run to the dollar store because we're out of drinks and your girl don't want to go to the grocery store because it's the fucking weekend, beach. It's Sunday and like who wants to go to the grocery store on Sunday? You know what I mean? So like I'm gonna go to the dollar store because they close in 20 minutes and I don't want to drink water all night. First world problem. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's a lot later. It's like 1:30 in the morning and I finally made food. I just made some burgers, pasta, ziti pasta with a garlic and herb like sauce packet that I made, and then some sweet peas. This is what it looks like. Hey, what's up, you guys? It is the next day. It's like actually in the afternoon. It's not the morning because I woke up later than usual. And right now I'm on my way to Walmart. I have my mask and my gloves with me, but I'm not gonna put them on until I get there. But I figured I would start the vlog because I haven't yet and tell you guys I love you and you're beautiful, you're enough, you're loved, and let's have a wonderful day. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's been a while. It's 5:42. I went to the grocery store. I got a lot of groceries, brought them home, put them up. So I figured I would show you guys.
Was that yummy? Sit. Good girl. Up, up. Good girl. Good girl.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It is the next day, so it is Tuesday, April 28th. It's 1:28 p.m. and I am headed to my dad's to go pick up a blender that he bought me. I'm so freaking happy. I'm so excited. I've never let you guys like hear the noise, I don't think, in my blender, but it's like 5+ years old and it's really in bad shape. So I'm extremely grateful. So Dad, if you ever see this, thank you so much. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. And then I'm just gonna head straight back home, do my smoothie, do my yoga, take a shower, and figure out what we're doing for dinner. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Remember that you're loved, you're enough, you're abundant. Everything that you want, you're able to create that, and it's on its way to you. So let's do this. Let's have a great day, beautiful. you guys? It's been a while. It's 4:30 now, and Jeremy and I are just making a quick dispensary run. And the blender my dad got me is amazing. I'm so grateful. It is just like night and day, but from the old one I had, which I will show you guys, even though I've shown you before and you probably don't remember or care, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So, but yeah, I don't know what we're I don't know what we're doing for dinner yet, but I'm trying to figure that out. We have a ton of groceries now, so that's good. But I don't know what we're gonna get. Anyways, I wanted to show you the painting on the outside of this dispensary, so let me show you it. Pretty cool.
Northwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingfisher, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Oklahoma City.
Did we not just have, like, 5 seconds ago, have one of these?
Northeastern Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Ralston to 3 miles southwest of Sooner Lake, moving miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicator.
We're still $10 a piece. For 75 milligrams. So.
Hell
So good with I got
Barley. Oh my god, even above us, look how creamy that cloud is. What's up, you guys? I just wanted to go ahead and end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed all of the recipes and the dance party and everything. I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm gonna end it right now, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.